Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a featured post or recent posts widget in Sidebar. For example, if I come to my blog post page, then you can see all my blogs are listed here, but I want to add a recent posts here with thumbnails. Currently, I have recent post widget, but there is no thumbnail and no excerpt, etc. So for this, we will need a plugin. Come to add new, plugin, add new. In the search bar, type recent posts widget with thumbnail. Press enter. Install this plugin, recent post widgets with thumbnail. Click on install now. Activate the plugin. Now all you have to do is to place a widget in place of this recent post widget. So where you can find it, you can come to your WordPress dashboard, click on appearance, then widgets. Now here's the sidebar, and you can drag and drop the recent post widgets to here. So first remove the recent post default recent post widget, and now scroll down and find recent post widget with thumbnail, which is generated by that plugin which we just installed. Click here and click on sidebar and click on add widget to move it there, or you can just drag this widget and scroll up and place it here and name it, for example, recent post. The title will be recent post. How many posts you want to show on your sidebar? This is the number of posts. Open post link in a new tab, in a new window. So when a user click on that post, it will be opened in a new window. Let's just first save this widget and see the result. Come to front end and refresh the page. Okay, now you can see that there are thumbnails and then the titles of the recent post. But what we want further is adding excerpt to all these posts. So come to your widget, edit again, and here you can find an option, show excerpt. Okay, how many words or how many characters you want to show for excerpt? I want to show 40. And the excerpt, after excerpt, I want to add this thing. You can add anything and then save it. Now let's come to the front end, refresh the page. Okay, here's our excerpt, and there are some more options. For example, if you scroll up, you can check this option, open post in new window. What does this mean? If you click this, then the post will be opened in the same window. But if we choose this option, post link in a new window, and then save it, let's refresh. Now when you click on any post, then it will be opened in a new tab. So that is what this function mean. Okay, there are also a lot of other options. I'll recommend that keep this section off. You can also make the sidebar sticky. If you click here, show only sticky posts, do not show sticky posts, keep sticky posts at the top of the list. So all these things will be sticky at the top. So that was all for today's video. You can also do a lot of things here. For example, post category, you can add post meta like post author, post date, or any other option available here. It's a free plugin, but they provided a lot of options within this free version. So you do not need to buy any other premium plugin for this. This was all for today's video. I hope you like something, you learned something from this video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our future updates. Thank you.